How do we turn a bare-bones game engine core into a fully featured game? This is a little demo of the current state of the game engine. When we click on a cube, it disappears, and the score goes up. It's simple, but it's using all the features the engine has right now. The engine renders simple scenes. Also, we can render text. At the start, a single enemy cube spawns. When the user clicks, we send a ray out of the camera towards the point where the user clicked. If the ray intersects the enemy cube, it gets destroyed and sends an event to update the score and spawn a new enemy cube. How do we turn this basic demo into something someone actually wants to play? Starting with the demo as the base, the game I'd like to make is a simple clicker game. Imagine you inherited a castle. Unfortunately, it's in a haunted forest. But hey, a free castle is a free castle, so you move in and defend it from the scary creatures of the night. Their corpses are valuable, so you get paid for each of them you kill, and you can expand the castle and upgrade it. That's the goal for this project. But how do we go from this to this? Planning a project like this is very complex and hard to do. We never know what the full project needs, unless we have extensive past knowledge, which I do not have. Rule number 1 for any complex project is to turn the impossible result into possible steps. Each step gets us closer to the result, even if we don't fully know how to make it. As we get closer to something more real, we figure it out. We just kinda have to trust the process and have a clear goal. Like right now, I know the goal, and the demo is the start. There are infinite possible steps I can take, but we can just choose one. I'd like to make the vertical slice first. That is, all the gameplay features in their simple form. If it proves that the game concept is promising, we can start expanding it horizontally, meaning adding more complex features, more content, and polishing it. For example, in the vertical slice, there will be zombie enemies that just walk towards the castle, and when that feature gets fully completed, we can expand it into more types of enemies with different behaviors. The steps to make the vertical slice of the gameplay would be something like add a castle in the middle, add health to both the enemies and the castle, so nothing dies on one hit. Make the enemies walk towards the castle, so it's scary. When they reach the castle, it takes damage. These are the first steps we can make. Someday, we'll definitely take more steps, like making scary 3D models, beautiful castle with upgrades, UI, and much more. But right now, the first step is clear. I haven't said anything about time frames. And frankly, I'm just scared to say how long this will take me. It's my own project I'm making in my free time, so I just don't know. But I'm happy that I even got to the point of having the core written by myself. It's an amazing project for me, and I can't wait for you to play the first game made in it. If you like this kind of thing, like and subscribe to follow the journey.